Hey everyone, in this video I will be comparing the differences between Canva free as well as Canva Pro subscription. So there are a lot of differences and we'll be covering all the major ones. So let's get started. So first thing, just come to this website. This is from the official Canva one. Under pricing, here we will be having different plans, which is free, pro, teams and enterprise. Here if you scroll down, we'll be having quite a few important differences between Canva free and Canva Pro, and if we scroll down further, we will be having the differences in all their tools from design, AI, workspace, collaboration, support, storage and literally everything. So they will be having all these differences explained here in a beautiful way. So let's see from scratch first. And I've been using Canva free as well as Canva Pro. All the thumbnails in my channel has been done by using Canva free, so you can even survive with Canva free itself, but in some cases you would really like to use Canva Pro also. So first major difference between Canva free and Canva Pro is the stock photos and images. Here you can see, right, Canva free gives 4.5 million stock photos and graphics, but Canva Pro gives 140 million videos, photos and graphics. So that's like more than 3 times over there. And next major difference comes in using templates. For example, let's say I want to design a social media poster. I just click on social media and here we will be having this crown symbol, which means that this particular template can be only used by Canva Pro users. I'm not saying there aren't templates for free. There are a lot of templates available for free also, but most of the better ones or attractive looking templates are there for the Pro subscription. So if you are a person who wants to create posters, videos or other thumbnails in a quick way just by using the templates, you can just go for the Pro subscription because it will literally save you a lot of time over there. And another important feature that they have mentioned over here is remove backgrounds in a click. So I also find this feature really useful. In Canva Pro subscription, if you click on a particular image and if you want to remove the background, here we will be having this BG remover. If you click it, the background of the image gets removed instantly. So if you're like creating a poster, you would obviously need this feature at least to be used for 3-4 times. So if you don't have the Pro feature, you need to like go to a separate website or ChatGPT, upload this image and ask it to remove the background and then drag and drop it again. So it's like a lot of hassle. But if you have the Pro subscription, just a click, 2 seconds and your background gets removed. So in case if you are going to be like a editor or a poster designer in a long term, this feature is invaluable. That's how good this is. And not only this removes the background in the images, this also removes the background in videos also. And the next major difference comes in using AI tools. In the free version, we can use only limited AI tools, but in the Pro version, we can use 25 plus AI tools and we can even create videos by using Google's VO3. And apart from that, here we are only having 5 GB of cloud storage. So if we keep on uploading our videos or images, after a point we need to delete them or we give some space, then only we will be able to use it. But here we are having 1 TB of cloud storage and we can never run out of that. And another one is 1000 brand kits to manage your brand. So this will be really useful in case you are having a logo or your own brand. Easily you can get those information. If you are an individual user, you don't have to worry about that. So these are some of the important features listed by Canva. Now let's see the differences in much more detail. And here we can see the differences with the exact numbers. So under design and publishing, stock photos, graphics, fonts, videos and audios. In the free plan, we are able to use only 4.7 million, but in the Pro plan, we are able to use 141 million. And when it comes to using the templates, the one that I told you earlier, free plan gives you 2.2 plus million and the Pro plan gives you 5 plus million. And apart from this, the most important thing is save design as templates. In the Pro plan, we can save our design as a template, but we can't do that in the free plan. Next, we can even add sound effects, which says sound effects to elements in your design, which is not available in the free plan. And now let's come to the AI features in Canva. So here, generate a design with Canva AI, we are getting 50 credits, but in Pro we are getting 150 credits. And next is Dream Lab, which is an image generator. We get only 20 credits in free plan, 500 credits in the Pro plan. And next, the most famous, Google's VO3. We can't generate any video in the free plan, but in Pro we can generate 5 videos. And next, all these magic features of Canva, magic eraser, magic expand, magic grab, magic morph, all these features are available in the pro plan, but none of them are available in the free plan. So in case you are going to be a serious editor, it's going to be really tough for you if you are using the free plan. And another one is video background remover. This is the one that I told you earlier. That's also available in the pro plan. And apart from this, in the workplaces, I don't see much difference over here. And next, in collaboration also not much differences. And next, in brand management and controls, this is the one that I told you, right? In case if you're having a personal brand, like using a pro feature is must, because it gives you brand templates, brand kits, and so much of stuff. So if you're having that, it's a must. And next is team management and permissions. These features doesn't come with even the free and pro plan. This comes in teams and enterprise. And these are just like the storage. Already I told you about this. Then support and devices, not much important things over here. And apart from this, you will be also facing some more differences in the website builder in case if you are using that feature. So if you try to publish a website in the free plan, you won't be able to use a custom domain, as you can clearly say, right? We'll be having this canva.site domain, and but if you use pro plan, we will be able to connect our domain from a third party. So we are also having that features over here. I also feel there will be some limitations with the number of websites that we can create for free using the website builder. So that's related to the website thing. And as a conclusion, what I will say is the major differences that comes between the free and pro plan comes in templates, stock images, and using AI features like AI image generation, all these resize, writing, all these magical AI features. So what I would say is, in case if you're just going to be a student and you need to work Canva for like a couple of projects, then you don't have to use these AI features. Even if you have the need to use it, you can simply use ChatGPT or other outsourced AI tool. But in case if you are going to be a content creator like me, you're going to edit or do some invitations, presentations, video editing, or reels editing, in that case Canva Pro is a mandatory, I would say, because it makes your work so simple. Imagine generating images or videos, or like expanding or resizing your images within Canva itself. That will literally save you a lot of time, and using the existing templates and stock graphics and fonts will literally save you a lot of time. So that's a conclusion. If you're going to use Canva like once or twice in 6 months or a year, then just go with the free plan. But if you're going to use it almost every single day, then pro plan is really important, and it's really a value for money. If I had missed any major difference, you can let me know in the comments. That's the video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.